body on my mind. I miss you.
Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I sound really annoying and all like nasally. That's because I'm sick right now, so sorry about that. But anyway, today's video is going to be 2018 fitness slash organization hacks, like tips and tricks, basically on how to get this year of 2018 off to the right start. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys are excited for it and if you do like it. And also click the subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel. Welcome. You guys should all be part of the Betzing fam because we are a fun YouTube family to be part of. And also make sure you guys check out my vlog channel. It is Katie Betzing Vlogs. I just did a video where I talk about all my goals and like New Year's resolutions for this new year. So if you guys want to see that, check it out and subscribe to my vlog channel. Also check out my Instagram because this is what my Instagram feed looks like. I'm super proud of it. So check that out. And also make sure you guys add me on Snapchat. It is K80Betz. I will leave it up on the screen. I'm going to be doing some pretty big giveaways on there. So if you guys want to add me, you guys will know when those giveaways are happening, and just follow me on all my social media because I think it's so much fun to be interactive with you guys. And that's pretty much all I have to say for the intro. I'm gonna shut up now and we can start the video. Woo! Okay, so my first organization tip is to get organization bins, and I know that sounds really basic, but you guys should all go to Marshall's and get some because they have really cute and really cheap ones, and I really just think it helps organize all your junk that's laying around your room. So like I have one for all my blankets, I have one for some of my shoes that goes near my like coat hanger, and I honestly just think it helps me stay so organized, and I absolutely love it. By the way, how cute are my new purple Vans? I'm obsessed. And anyway, another thing is they have ones for drawers, which I like to keep all my pens separate. And another tip is if you have drawers on your desk is to organize it by like pens, and then one I have like all my stickers, and then another one is like my sunglasses and some cards, and I have that organized separately. And then a different drawer is like for my technology stuff, and that is like my Beats and like my Apple Watch and like basically all my cords and everything. I think it's really good to keep your drawers separate by categories. And my last one, obviously everyone has to have their junk drawer. Also, instead of just throwing my makeup in my makeup bag, I like to leave some of my nicer makeup like out, like my lipsticks, and then some of my like higher brand makeups just out place because I think it looks really cute in my room, and it's kind of like room decor and it's all organized. And then I also like to place my perfumes in it too, and I don't know, I just think it looks super cute. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys some healthy alternatives. Halo Top ice cream is a really healthy alternative instead of eating ice cream because it's about a fourth amount of the calories and it tastes just like ice cream. Another healthy alternative is air popped popcorn because it doesn't have all the oils, and you can add a little bit of butter and it's still so much healthier than if you were to have like cookies and donuts and cake and all that stuff. And the reason you guys have to have dessert still, I feel like, is because if you cut it out completely, then you're going to start binge eating, and then you're going to go in a negative direction if you're trying to diet or lose weight. So these are some awesome healthy tips that I like to do when I'm trying to lose weight or just be healthier. Okay, so my second healthy tip is to get creative with your salads and basically just change up everything that you put in it. Like I like to put beans in mine. I put the weirdest stuff in my salads, but I always change them so it tastes different than the next day. Another tip also is to not use like ranch or normal salad dressings, but to actually use like vinegar, because vinegar's like only a couple calories and it tastes really good and it's way healthier for you. A really good fitness tip is to reward yourself with clothing items like small ones like a hat or a headband. And the reason I like doing this is because I like eating healthy for a week and keeping it in mind that if I do this, then I can reward myself with something that I want that's like smaller, and it really helps me stay focused on my goal and to eat healthy and to work out. And also I think it's really important to reward yourself with clothing items rather than food, because if you're rewarding yourself with food, then you're kind of backtracking on what you're trying to do. So this is what I like to reward myself with, and this tip has helped me so much. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys this really cute DIY organizer for your drawers, and basically it's just made out of cardboard boxes that all of your food is like stored in. So you can get any size you want, and you can make like a ton of them, so you can have a whole bunch of organizers for your drawers. And basically all you do is you cut it so it's like a short little box, and you can kind of make it like the height that you want it. I wanted mine a little shorter than what I am showing right here, so I switched up the height and I cut it a little shorter. And then after I did that, I just took some washi tape, and you can use any type of washi tape, it really doesn't matter. You can pick your own style and just literally tape all the way around it, and it's so easy and it looks so cute in your drawers. And then instead of having like your pens and everything just scrambled all around your desk, you can just put them in here, and it looks a lot more organized and put together. Tip is to document your fitness and like what you are eating. I have this really cute like Erin Condren wellness log, and what I like to do is write what I have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I also like to document my workouts and like how much like I exercise that day, so then I can like look back at it throughout the week and see what I need to improve on. And basically there's just so much room for improvement if you do this. So that's all I have for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you guys want to be part of the Betzing fam. And make sure you guys check out my vlog channel for all those videos. I will leave that link down below, and all my other social media, and my Snapchat will be up on the screen. Basically, I'm just plugging myself. I'm like, go follow me on everything. No, I'm just kidding. But make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias and all that fun stuff. Is there anything else I need to say? I'm trying to think. Okay, comment down below one of your New Year's resolutions. I want you guys all to comment so I can respond to you guys, and I just love talking to you guys in the comment section. So comment down your New Year's resolution, or like a couple of them, and I will comment back to you guys. So make sure you guys do that. And that is all I have to say. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Wanna hold you down. Oh no!